Hello from Manila. We are now in Manila in Shangri-La Plaza and we are going to withdraw money from
Wise cards.
yes, with our Wise card from BPI ATM. We already changed the money from the app and we are going to try to withdraw and we are going to see that if they are going to take a fee from us or not.
We will try withdrawing 10,000 pesos. There is a warning on the ATM saying that they're gonna get 18 pesos fee, but that's okay. But we want to see if they will get more.
We'll see. Let's see together.
And we chose to use BPI because on Wise's website it says that it's their agreed bank. Right?
Yeah, something like that.
And also we chose a branch inside a shopping mall just to be on the safe side so that our card doesn't get copied.
Okay, now it's our turn.
Here is the warning. And now I am inserting my card.
Yok böyle iyi.
Okay. Ekran görüntüsü. I'm entering my PIN. And cash withdrawal, I'm automatically checking 10,000. And always choose savings. Oh, it's gonna take 250. A lot of, so no?
No. It's a no-no. Now we have learned that they are charging 250 Philippines
Yeah.
peso, which is
It's almost $6.
almost $6.
So it's the same as Thailand actually.
Yes.
But now we have 10,000 pesos inside the card.
Okay, second try. Security Bank. This is a different mall.
Cash withdrawal also.
Yes. And we are going to try from Security Bank.
Withdraw cash. Savings account. Again, 250 pesos.
For international
So I
cards.
say no.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, third attempt. We are in the airport and we are going to use the PNB ATM this time.
Okay. Let's see. So we say withdraw cash. Again. So it's, I think, a fixed amount.
I think it's a fixed amount, so we are going to withdraw this time.
Savings.
Always savings.
And I will say 10,000.
Okay, the money is coming. I believe. I think many of the countries we are only paid in Thailand and in Philippines now. But Philippines is cheaper than Thailand because here is we paid $4.50 and in Thailand, but we paid $6. Okay,